Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Sonny. Now after this, I will start showing you how to find your money-making search phrases, how to find long-tail key phrases, mid-tail key phrases, and so forth. But before we get there, here's a few things I want you to keep in mind at all times. See, your entire strategy will focus or work around a few key phrases, right? You want to make sure you pick the right ones, because if you pick the wrong search phrase and you base your strategy around that search phrase, and when after a few weeks or months, when your website is on page 1 of Google, and if that keyword doesn't bring you any business, then all that hard work that you put in it will be wasted. So you have to be focused now. You have to make sure you get the right key phrases that will help you generate business, that will help you increase revenue and profits. Okay, so first thing first, when you look at a key phrase, you want to make sure that it has a decent search. Okay, does it have a decent search? Which means there are people searching for that particular key phrase. You don't want to pick a keyword that only has maybe 10 people searching in a month, because even if you get on page 1 of Google under that keyword, it will not bring you business. It will not bring you leads. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that the keyword, the key phrase that you work with, or the key phrases that you work with, have decent search, which means they have potential to bring you business. Do they have too much search? Of course, you don't want to go with a key phrase that has too much search, because one, it'll be more competitive. For example, a keyword that has maybe 20,000 searches a month will be more competitive. There will be a lot more companies trying to optimize their websites in that particular key phrase. So if you find a word that you really like, but then you see it has a too much search, don't start with that. That is not the place where you begin. You also want to make sure, is the search phrase that you're picking to work with, is it too broad? Just like I said before, carpet cleaning, roof repair, basement waterproofing, or just the word waterproofing. If it's too broad like that, then it'll take longer for you to get on page 1 of Google or any search engine for that matter. Also, there will be more competition again. So you want to make sure, like I said in the previous video, you want to make sure you pick hyper-focused, long-tail search phrases, long tail key phrases, because when you get on page 1 in those keywords, one, it's going to be comparatively easier and faster than short tail key phrases, and two, because they're hyper focused, they will also convert better. They will bring you leads, they will bring you business. So this was just a short video to remind you that now that we start working with how to find the right search phrases for your business, you want to keep a few of these things in mind. Does it have a decent search? Is the search too much? Is it too broad? Or it should be hyper focused. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.